Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to schedule a shutdown in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started with the guide. To schedule a shutdown in Windows 10 and Windows 11, right click on your start button and then either open the terminal, PowerShell, or command prompt as admin. Next, you want to type the following command: shutdown space -s space -f and then space -t, and then you need to enter the time in seconds for when the computer should shut down. So for instance, let's say that you wanted the computer to shut down in 4 hours. You can go over to Google and then do an hours to seconds conversion. So here I'll type 4 hours, which means it's 14,400 seconds. So then just go back to the terminal and then enter that amount of seconds and then press enter. And then you'll get a notification that tells you when your computer will shut down and that you'll be signed out. So that's how you can schedule a shutdown in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this guide's been useful. Remember to like the video and I'll see you next time.